Medicine for fever. When the body temperature rises above 99 degrees Fahrenheit, fever is considered. It is not a matter of rushing to the doctor or taking medicine to get rid of the fever. Most fevers are viral. It does not require any medicine. It heals after 5 to 7 days. The body has its own strategy to reduce the fever. Fever comes through the feeling of shivering and chills. Then he left with a sweat. At this time the body loses excess temperature. If you have a fever, you can try to get down at home with some tricks. If it does not work, common paracetamol-type drugs can be taken. However, never buy antibiotics from the store without informing the doctor. Not even aspirin or ibuprofen. So let's find out what we can do at home. 1. If you have a high fever, you can take a bath with warm water. The water temperature will be 2 degrees lower than your body temperature. It is better to take a bath in the bathtub or shower. The extra temperature will go into the water. Do not soak for more than 15 to 20 minutes. After bathing, wipe the water off with a dry towel. Get under the canther or blanket on the bed. You will see that after a while the fever is leaving with sweat. 2. If bathing is not possible, you can sponge the skin of the body. Soak a thin cotton cloth in a bowl of water and squeeze it. The water temperature will remain normal. Now wipe the whole body with this wet cloth. After wiping with a wet cloth, wipe off the water with a dry cloth. Keep doing this until the fever subsides. 3. Herbal and green tea are very useful in fever. This herbal tea can be made by mixing a piece of ginger, cardamom, clove or a little honey in the tea. Or even if you eat a bowl of hot soup. You will see that you are sweating and the fever is going down. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey in 1 cup of water and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. It helps to get the body temperature out. 4. Fever makes the body dehydrated quickly. So you have to eat plenty of water and liquid food. Otherwise the tongue will dry out. The amount of urine will decrease or become thicker. So if you have a fever, drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day. 5. Fever increases the body's metabolism. So extra calories are needed. Many people decide not to eat anything if they have a fever. It hurts itself. Even if it is small, you have to eat something nutritious. There is no such thing as a fever patient's diet. Everything can be eaten. However, oily and spicy foods are difficult to digest. Bypacker also consumes more calories. So easy to digest food is good. Vegetables mixed with porridge, parmesan, oatmeal, soup etc. will provide adequate nutrition. Try eating fruit juice or fruit. Especially vitamin C rich fruits, such as oranges, malts, lemons, grapefruits, pineapples, etc. Vitamin C will help prevent disease. If the fever rises above 105 degrees, there is a lot of coughing, abdominal pain, burning sensation in the urine, excessive vomiting, incoherent behavior due to fever, or if you feel unconscious, you must be rushed to the hospital. If you have a fever for more than a week, you need to consult a doctor.